Hi, welcome back for another Math Minute, friends. We are going to do lesson 9.5. The first couple questions, we're just going to be practicing our mental math facts and fluency, so there's no need to write this down in your journal. You could just write it on a piece of paper. The first question says, write a number with 5 in the hundreds place, 3 in the tens place, and 1 in the ones place. Now right away, friends, do you remember when Mrs. Berger used to draw these lines? And I would just write ones, tens, hundreds, because we can just fill those numbers in very fast. 5 in the hundreds place, 3 in the tens place, and 1 in the ones place. So that's 531. Write a number with 7 in the hundreds place, 0 in the tens place, and 4 in the ones place. And I'm going to do ones, tens, hundreds real quick and fast for us. 7 in the hundreds place, 0 in the tens place, 4 in the ones place. Write a number with 4 in the tens place. Oh my goodness, they're switching that order on us, friends. We have to be very careful here. Write a number with 4 in the tens place, 9 in the hundreds place, 5 in the ones place. Question like this really teaches me I need to read the directions, don't I? Be careful. Here's our next question, friends. I'm just going to see if I can get down there. It says, tell a partner how you would fill in the blanks. In 573, the 5 is worth, the 5 is worth 500 because the 5 is in ones, tens, hundreds. So it's 500. The 7 is worth 7 tens, 70. And the 3 is worth, 3 is in the ones place, 3. Okay, we did that one. We're going to go on. Now this is in your math journal, this next page, friends. I'm just going to take a second to get there. Here it is. This is in your math journal, friends. It is on page 230 in your math journal. 230. Write each number in the expanded form, then write less than or greater than in the box to compare the two numbers. Example, 325 is equal to 300 plus 20 plus 5. 358 is equal to 300 plus 50 plus 8. Now they're asking us to do less than, greater than, or equal to in this box. Well, the 300, that's the same. 20 and 50, 50 is greater than 20. So 325 is less than 358. All right, let's try this next one together. 136. So I'm going to stretch that out in expanded form. 100 plus 30 plus 6. 136. Try this one. Stretch it out, friends. 200 plus 20 plus 4. 136 is less than 224. 765 in question 2. That would be 700 plus 6 tenths, which is 60, plus 5. 756. Again, that's 700, so that's the same, but here in the tens place, there's only 5 tens here, so that would be 50 plus 6. So 765 is greater than 756. Right, less than or greater than in the box. 503 or 530. 503 is less than 530. 147 is less than 417. Try this. Write each number in expanded form and then write less than or greater than in the box to compare the two numbers. Now they're even stretching us, friends. We don't have just hundreds, we also have thousands. Let's try it here. So we've got 1,000 plus 500 plus 80 plus 3. 1,000 plus 700 plus 70 plus 1. The thousands are the same, both 1,000. But in the hundreds, here in this number, I have 500. In this number, I have 700. So 1,583 must be less than 1,771. 2,944. Let's put that in expanded form. 2,000 plus 900 plus 40 plus 4. Be careful of your zeros in this one, friends. This will be a little different for us, so check your answers carefully. 2,908. So that again would be 2,000 plus 900. That's the same. Plus 0 plus 8. I caught a mistake, friends. Did you catch mine? I bet you did. Or maybe it's just because I didn't write it very carefully. I better make that a 4. 2,900 plus 40 plus 4. That's better. Now here I got to do less than or greater than. 2,000, that's the same. 900, that's the same. It changes right in the tens place, right? 40 is greater than 0. So 2,944 is greater than 2008. Friends, super job. Have a great day.